Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about tutorial how to create a website for cultural workshops and classes business easy and quick. So first type Dorable on the search. So as we know, Dorable website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. Also, we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first, let's sign in. Now create new business. Create new business. Enter your business name. Type any business name you want. Now select your industry. Enter your location and choose your website language and create business. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. The first thing, go to the first section on the website, the header section. You can edit it here if you want to change your site name. Also here you can turn this on and replace company name with a logo. You can upload a file. Here if you want to change the label or add a new label. Also you can add external link. You can turn this on and open link on a new page. Here if you want to edit your social links, you can add a channel. Just select the type of the social link, for example Facebook, and here with your link. If you want to edit the style of the section, the positioning, the social icon, the size and the shape. If you want to turn this on, the full width and the sticky, the space and the background, the color of the background. So let's save this. If you want to add a section on your website, just select any section here you want, and that's it. You're gonna make it easy. The next section is the banner section of the website. You can edit from here. You can change the heading. Just click regenerate and it will be changed. Also the subtext, if you don't like it, just click here and it will be changed. You can also turn this on and change the label or add the link. You can open link on a new page. Just turn this on. And also here if you want to edit the style of the section, the spacing and the main height, if you want to make it screen like this, the horizontal alignments, the vertical alignments, and the background if you want to change the color of the background, and if you want to turn this on and combine with the header. So let's close this, let's save it, and let's move on to the next section, the gallery section of the website. You can edit this. Here if you want to edit the heading, you can generate the image, another image. Also here if you want to upload image from browser, just search on the browser and push it here and it will be uploaded. If you want to choose some image from here, for example let's pick some image, for example this. If you want to edit the style of the section, the heading elements, the type and the image, the spacing and the background, the color of the background. So let's move on. The next section is text section of the website. You can regenerate another text form. You can edit your type or the size of the writing here. Also you can edit the style of the section, the alignments and the spacing and the vertical alignments and the background if you want to change the color, or if you want to add image here, if you want to generate image. Also you can edit the image position. You can edit the background overlay. So let's save this. The next section is the list section of the website. You can edit this, you can edit the heading, you can edit display settings which will be displayed for each list item. Also here if you want to edit the list items, you can add the list item here. If you want to generate image, you can edit the image position. Also here if you want to generate title or generate the content. So that's it. Let's save this. Also you can edit the style like all the previous sections, all of them has the same thing here. So let's skip this. The next section, the testimonial section, you can add testimonial here. You you can generate a code. Also here if you want to generate bio, and here you can upload a file image. So that's it. If you want to edit the style like all the previous, just let's skip this. The next section, location section, you can edit the heading. Also here if you want to change the business address, you can add the additional text file, you can add the title or the content. Here if you want to edit the style of the section, the type or the theme or the rounded corners or the align map, if you want to make it like this, the align map, the marker color, if you want to make it like this, the vertical alignment and the background, the color of the background. So that's it. Now let's save this. The next section is the contact form section of the website. You can edit this. Here if you want to generate another contact form. Also you can edit the type or the size of the writing here. You can manage files. Also you can turn this on and custom input labels. You can generate the form success message. And also here if you want to edit the type or the style of the writing, you can edit the style of the section, the formal elements, the spacing, the main height, the vertical alignment and the background. So that's it. Now let's save this. Next section, the last section on the website, the footer section. You can edit your business name. Also you can turn this on and upload the file. You can add additional details. You can add your business address or any other relevant details. You can turn this on and add a label or add the external link. You can edit your social links here, and also here if you want to add the channel. So that's it. Let's save this. If you want to generate another content or style or entire section, just select any option here and it will be changed. Also if you want to duplicate this section, you can duplicate it from here. If you want to move it up or move it down, if you want to delete this section, you can just click here and it will be removed. Now after you done from editing your website, all you have to do is click publish and you're gonna publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. That's how to edit and design your business website. So thanks for watching till the end, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and see you in the next video.